Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone X. So what you're going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. What you're going to want to do right now is hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once your phone completely turns off, you hold the lock button until it turns back on. And there you guys go. That's how you hard reset your iPhone X. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on post notifications. And there you guys go. Your phone has been hard resetted. If it didn't work for you guys and if you're not too sure what to do, just comment down below or message on Instagram. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you're having any other iPhone problems, I do have a playlist that you could check out to see if my videos will help you out. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.